Hi, Professor. We got cut off, so we're going to record another 5 minutes or so because we didn't finish our video. Um, anyway, Joanne was talking about her job, and do you want to continue?
Oh I just wanted to say that I'm just going to tell as many people as I possibly can. It's just to me this day and age, I feel like we should be further along as a civilization, civil, and I think there's a lot of injustice, and it's a shame that we don't know about it, so we can advocate for folks more. I think if people the more people that know, I think the more people would actually stand up and, stand with you guys and say, enough is enough. Leave these people alone.
Yeah. Well, I think that I will definitely be more vocal, and I will also educate people when I have a chance or when I feel they'll listen. Um, Sometimes you can't have conversations with people. I've noticed recently.
Yeah.
Uh, so that's unfortunate too. It's kind of unfortunate where we are right now. But I just really wanted to say that I have definitely learned so much, and I I would love to do more Native American studies because I think it's a very special subject and it's special to my heart and it's something that I care about. Uh,
Yeah, I think that I'm looking forward to her taking more courses so I can take them with her. um, because it is very interesting, and I too have learned a lot, just in the bits and pieces of the course that I've kind of listened to with her, and it's yeah, it's I'm looking forward to learning more, I
um, well, thank you, Professor. Thank you for all your patience and kindness and grace, and from our family to yours. Thank you, and did learn Watto. Thank you.
think.
This is our family, so I'll show you a quick picture if it will go up. Let's see. Maybe not.
It's going. Maybe.
Maybe. Yeah, there we are. And that's our son, Ash. Uh, that's our family in the morning.
Yes.
um, on my computer is a dragonfly because I have a thing for dragonflies. Um, anyway, thank you. Uh, I love the way you set up the class. I'm very excited to learn more. And I hope that I can one day take another one of your classes because I really want to learn a lot more about, you know, our ancestry
Yeah, for sure.
and our country and its native history.
Yeah, the real native history.
Yeah, the real native
Yeah.
history.
Yeah.
um, so I guess this is a goodbye for now. Um, and thank you for everything. We really loved all of it, all the readings. There's probably, I'd like to watch that series that we watched at the beginning, We Shall Remain. I think I'd like to finish watching that. But thank you for everything, Professor. It's been an honor. Thank you.